Okay, well, I have been doing some prints of my work. So my printer takes, this was my original painting, I take it to him, he takes 30 images of this painting, super high resolution. So when he's done, each stroke is there, and people all the time will say, I love that painting, but I'll tell them it's a print, so they actually have to come up here and touch it to make sure that it's not an original. So the quality's great, and it's a tremendous file, but I really love the quality of these. So these are the Giclée prints on canvas. They're limited edition. I sign them, number them, and then they're wired and ready to hang. And then I have these that are paper that you would have to frame, and they're limited edition as well. But I really like the quality of these prints. I've been all over the country looking for a guy to do these for me. I finally found him, and he's awesome.